Okay, so this is the electric motor on the blower for the eSIM box where the engine control modules are. Is the box just in front of the power steering reservoir. So this is just between the box and the reservoir at the bottom. It's easy to remove from there. Just split. There are tabs around the place where this sits, so just split that in two, and then you just there are two tabs here, and then it's just the blade, the fan blade itself. You just spray with a knife gently so it slides off. There's nothing to retain it, it's just pressed in. The main reason for this is because this guy is 10 years old. I'll just say that this is a Johnson part. It's right in there somewhere. Yeah, it's Johnson, and you get the numbers here. This one, it's original Volvo, and I mean, came with a car from new, and it doesn't. It's hard to spin. It's really hard to spin. Electrical motors just give it a kick, and it's very, very, very little resistance. Instead, this one, it's hard to spin. I guess this cuts the speed of the fan in perhaps half of it, so you don't get enough cold air. I mean, cold air, this gets the air from the cabin to the AC box, so you won't get enough air. Even though this is spinning, you will hear it spinning, but it doesn't get enough air to cool down the two ACM modules. So up to you, but I will rather replace this baby, because you don't want the modules to heat up, and you never know what can happen.